Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am at Rani VAV, which is situated in the town of Patan in Gujarat. It is located on the banks of Saraswati river. It is also known as the Queen's Stepwell. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the speciality of that monument is that it is present on the 100 rupee note. Rani Ki Vav was built as a memorial to an 11th century AD king Bhima I. It was added to the list of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites on 22 June 2014. Stepwells are a distinctive form of subterranean water resource and storage systems of the Indian subcontinent and have been constructed since the 3rd millennium BC. Rani Ki Vav was built in the complex Mariguraja architectural style with an inverted temple and 7 levels of stairs and holds more than 500 principal sculptures. This is one of the oldest and finest stepwells in Gujarat and in remarkable preserved. Steps lead down through multiple levels with lines of curved pillars and more than 800 sculptures, mostly on Vishnu Avatar themes, as well as striking geometric patterns. The stepwell is made in the form of an inverted temple. It showcases superior craftsmanship of the era. The stepwell was built in 1063 by Rani Udayamati of the Chaulukya dynasty to commemorate her husband Bhima I. A 1304 composition of Jain monk Mirutunga mentions that Udayamati, the daughter of Naravaraha Khengara, built this stepwell at Patan. The same composition also mentions that the stepwell was commissioned in 1063 and was completed after 20 years. Archaeologist Henry Cousins and James Burgess visited it in 1890s when it was completed, buried under silt, and only the shaft and few pillars were visible. The stepwell was rediscovered in 1940s and the Archaeological Survey of India restored it in 1980s. Bye friends! Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.